Hello and welcome. So this is not going to be a long video like I would make. It's more of an introduction video, so it's probably going to be 3 minutes. My name is Cayenne. You can add me on Movie Star Planet at CayenneLove4. I'm like a really weird person because, just to inform you, I'm subscribed to Flamingo. And also on this channel we will be not only making Movie Star Planet videos but other games, but for now all that I have planned is Movie Star Planet, Roblox, and Minecraft. I know it's not much, but it's all that I really have downloaded on my computer. And currently I have Roblox open. I also would love it if you would press the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you know when I post. I'm also a really fun person. I have a lot of weird friends that you will be seeing on this channel a lot. Also, just to plug for very nice people, there's somebody that I know that I was trying to put on my featured channels, which would not work, is Moon Endless P. And then the other person, I can't remember his username, but he's right here. His username is it's ITZ Will with here, I'll just write it right here. That's his username on YouTube. Go ahead and hit him up and subscribe to him, turn on his notifications, and help him do it out. My name is Mama Joe, and you guys are my children if you are subscribed and have that notification bell on. See, I'm going to be trying my hardest to get VIP on here, and if you do friend me, someone very lucky will be able to get greets and gifts off of their wish list. So that's all that I really have to say. Have a wonderful day, and bye-bye. Love you, my children.